So hey, what's up guys? How are you? If you think why I not Thela, so क्या हाल चाल आप सभी के? So I make a English vlogs. Yes, I think some people tell.
Deepak, why you make an English vlog? I know your English is so extremely bad, so you can't make an English.
But you pretty shit guy. I make English vlogs for prepare my English as well as good and as well as I prepare to. I think a little bit prepare for everything because my English is extremely too bad. I try to do my best. Literally, I try to do my best. But some talk about myself after in few words because it's time to be a online classes for every student. Yes, this is true. This time in a present time my online classes will start with a few minutes. So if you want I make a time lapse. So yes, I make a time lapse of my online classes, so please watch it. If you like online classes, so please hit like, literally hit like, because this little bit of, I think little bit nine, I mean why I tell Hindi I make an English vlog, they push it literally. So my hand is pain. The I think if you hear this sound pop, the message I think message is coming of my class group. So I make a little bit. I mean this little bit. So I mean little bit. Never. I think if you understand what I tell. This is, I think, a large bit pretty shit. Literally. My father is coming in front of me. Literally. So, I make such a good time lapse of my online classes to see it. I hope you like this time lapse. I mean time lapse. I mean everything. So it's time. This time is to break. Maybe after a few hours. I mean few hours. Yeah. 11:30 o'clock. My class is over. All subject is complete. Then I go to bathroom and take a shower. Or before go to bathroom I go to a literally like a khet. It means farm. It means in a simple word I tell potty. Yes. So when I'm going to a potty and
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
निकालिंग गड़बड़िंग हिस्सा. It means this time I download all data in my stomach. Then I go to a potty when I uninstall all data from my stomach because my stomach capacity is a very high end device. If you think understand, so please tell me on comment box. So I think seeing you in a few hours. So bye bye. This time do I go a little and I think a large bath because I love also bath. And by the way, please comment down below how's you like this English vlog. I mean, can I do a more vlogs? Do I shoot a more vlogs in English literally? And what about my body? It's not about six packs, it's about family pack. Yes, it's not a six pack, it's a family pack. Or how you create it, you have only two words: eating, and eating. By the way, three this. So If you love it, so please yeah, hit the like video. I go for a bath, and I think I pretty shit. I'm not interested to make a my bathing time lapse. So I go for a bath, then I see you again. So bye bye.
1 hour later.
I ready after bathing. Hey, come on. I mean West. My Hindi is always late in every edge of thing, time, and such a great. Maybe if you think like this Tahri, uh, I don't know what called in English. Literally, this Tahri is good. You can't eat in your life. You are not a desi guy. Literally, you are can't in your whole life. You are not a desi boy because I love always, or I think I prepare for this. I go for a gym for this guy because this guy is very extremely look like a bad. So I eat this like this and like this. So I see you in a few means hours later. So yay! I think I end this vlog on end of the day. Literally, right now is night. I think it's almost time is
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
11 o'clock, something 11 o'clock. I end this my first English vlog ever. I try and I think I make you entertain in this vlog. If you love this, so please like it, and you love my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys. I make such this English vlog in alternative days, but my Hindi vlogs coming on when I go somewhere else. Then I make an English vlog because of I make a Hindi vlog. So
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
I define my emotions literally. Then I make a English vlog. Then I make a Hindi vlog. I define my all emotion, expression, how I see it, how I feel it, where I go, and where if you think what I mean. So if you like this video, so please hit like this video. And subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below how you like my this video. So goodbye, boom.